Hello, Chef Marcus Guiliano here. I'm out on my run. Nevele waterfalls right there. It's pretty cool how all the ice, lots of water coming down right now from the rain this past week. Ice broke up, it melted, it refreezed in chunks. I used to be able to walk across that, but not now, and it's cold out. It's only like 12 degrees out. So, with that said, I'm gonna make this brief. I reached my first level of my weight loss goal. First level achieved. I want to lose 30 pounds this year, that was my goal. And I'm already down 10 pounds. I'm actually down 11 pounds from when I started counting. Not from what I really lost, but from when I started counting. I started on the scale and said, okay, here's the weight. I'd lost a few pounds prior to that. I said, now I want to go down 30 pounds. So I'm actually down 11 pounds. I reached the first level. I broke it down into 3 tiers, 10, 20, and 30 pound weight loss. Well, how am I doing it? I'm doing it with a ton of fruit, lots of pineapples. I've been juicing 2 pineapples a day. I'm doing cucumber juice now, lemon juice with that, apple juice. Most people would say, Marcus, all that sugar's gonna make you fat. Well, all that sugar's not making me fat. All that sugar's leaning me out like it did 3 years ago when I went on the high carb, high fruit carb, high carb diet. High starch diet was what I went on. Good carbs, good starches, simple carbs like fruit, lots of bananas. So yeah, so down 11 pounds, lots of fruit, lots of pineapple. I'm living off pineapple juice right now, and doing a smoothie, doing a cleanse right now. I've actually done a couple of colonics, going back this week for my 3rd colonic. I'm doing a ton of enzymes, and I'm gonna go, the lady who I go to, we're gonna do a video this week because she has me bleaching my food with Clorox. And I've done a video on this before. I did a video on this actually exactly a year ago, how to bleach your food with Clorox, how to safely bleach your food to kill off any parasites, to kill off any molds, any funguses, because that can be causing you a lot of havoc, folks. So we're gonna talk to the lady who I go to, who's been doing it for years and swears by, and she learned from a lady who has an alternative cancer clinic. So we're gonna jump into that this week, hopefully with some YouTube videos, interviewing her. Enzymes, and she explained to me that I was overweight. But she explained to me I wasn't as overweight as I thought I was because I was bloated, very bloated. And she was like, Marcus, your face and everything. If you look at pictures from me just a month ago, you can see the difference already. Maybe I'll try to find a picture and put it up on here. And she goes, Marcus, you're bloated, your stomach's bloated, your face is bloated, you're not digesting food properly, which I knew I wasn't digesting food. I was having terrible acid reflux, even on simple foods. I was hitting my chest to try to digest food on my first bite. I was eating on the run, I was stressed out, and I've totally changed my whole eating habits. I'm gonna talk about all of that on some upcoming video blogs. My hand's freezing holding this phone right now, so I'm gonna cut this video short at 3 minutes. But stay tuned for more of my weight loss updates. And that's it, I'm gonna get back on the trails. Talk to everybody later.